Tigers are incredible animals, who only show us respect and admiration. We cannot allow the disappearance of the landmass, because there will be a great loss for biodiversity and humanity. Tigers are part of our natural heritage, and they are responsible for protecting them. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and leave a comment with your opinion. Keep in mind that you have already subscribed to videos on the channel where you will find more videos of animals, nature and curiosities. Until next time, I'm Arian, and that's all for today.